Alright, it's been going a while here. It's still dribbling out, but you can see a green tint to it, so that makes me feel better. But okay, the upper hose is loose. Not hearing water there, so let me pull the upper hose. One of the nice things about doing this, and as I say, it's relaxing and fun, it's I'm in the garage, I'm listening to audiobooks for a while. Uh-oh. Let me stop right there, make sure it's drained some more here. Upper hose here first if I can. There's hose number 1, upper hose. Okay, and there came the second one. The lower hose. All right. So, here are the replacement hoses they gave me at Napper. Okay. This one here is the upper hose. There's a guy back in the early 1900s about ready to get in a knife fight here. That's the number. It's I saw it made in Turkey somewhere. Oh, the other side. Anatolia. Made in Turkey. So I'm going to install this one first. Alright, I had to disassemble the clamps to get them to fit and to move. That's how tight that hose was. And but it's on. I'm tightening them up. You can see that one fits well. Okay, let me grab Okay, 10 millimeters. And of course this isn't going to work. Okay, you gotta love it. Haven't been out on my boat for years, but I have this in the bad day box. And since I left a lot of my stuff in Tennessee, okay, hose is going absolutely nowhere. So let me work on. Here we go. This is the bottom hose installed. You can see it fits very well and goes back to there. It has the clearance, unlike the other one that had the tape on it over here. It fits perfectly, actually. So those look like to be the ones if you got a 1720 Ford. Let me fill this up. I'm going to readjust the intake. I need to read up to see if there's a covering for that. And then I'll make a covering for it if there isn't one. Let's see. Then I'm going to fill it up with 50/50 coolant, distilled water, and Prestone, green stuff. Looks like the stuff that came out of it was green. All right, I got the radiator absolutely full, filled up the bucket here as well, and it's ready to go, no leaks. Use the original hose clamps. The hoses that I pulled are there, going in the garbage. And now I'm going to